To transfer Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by downloading and installing the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device if you have not already done so. Once installed, open the app and sign on with your Wells Fargo online banking username and password. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in Wells Fargo online banking first. To do this, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on Enroll. Then follow the prompts to create your username and password. After signing on to the mobile app, you will see a list of your accounts and their balances. To initiate a transfer, select the account you want to transfer from. Then choose the transfer option. You can transfer funds to another Wells Fargo account or to an account at a different bank. To transfer to another Wells Fargo account, select the account you want to transfer to and enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a memo to describe the transfer. To transfer to an account at a different bank, you will need to add the external account first. To do this, select the Add Account option and follow the prompts to enter the routing and account numbers of the external account. You may need to verify the account by confirming small test deposits made to the account. Once the external account is added, you can select it as the transfer destination and enter the amount you want to transfer. Before completing the transfer, review the details to ensure they are correct. You can also choose to save the transfer as a template for future use or set up a recurring transfer. Finally, confirm the transfer and you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been completed. You can also view the transfer details and history in the mobile app. It is always a good idea to keep your device and the mobile app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. Additionally, be sure to monitor your accounts regularly and report any suspicious activity to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps, you can easily and securely transfer funds using Wells Fargo mobile banking.